Good morning, children. Today we will going to talk about Python function. So functions help you to organize the Python programming. Instead of writing a big program, you can divide the big program into some smaller units, and it's easy to handle those smaller units. For example, I'm having my bag here. If I put all my stuffs here, for example, this scale, the paper, everything at one chamber, it's very difficult to find out where I keep all those things. So my bag has different chambers to keep different things. It's very easy for me to organize in such a way that I can find out all my stuffs. Similarly, you can see this is my desk organizer. I put all my stuff in different chambers. Okay, my pen, pencil, eraser in different stuffs. Why? Because it is easy to organize. Similarly, we can divide a big program into some smaller units in order to use them efficient way. Okay, now we will check how we can do that. Here I'm writing a small program in order to calculate two numbers. Let me first save the program, file, then save. Okay, the name of the program, say it's calculation or something, whatever it is. Now I'm entering two variables here, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. First I will find their addition. How come? print. Very simple actually. Here I will going to write a plus b. Oh, sorry, should not be within quotation, excuse me. A plus b, otherwise it will going to print a plus b, not the result. So again I'm writing the second print, print. Here I will going to find out the subtraction, b minus a. So this will bring you the subtraction of these two numbers. Then third print, for multiplication, obviously p should be in small letter, print. I'm writing here a into b here. Then obviously division, print b divided by a. You will get the division of these two numbers. Let me save the program and see the output. Run module, see. This way I found out the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two numbers. They are a and b. The variables are a and b and the values are 10 and 20. Now I'm closing this one again. So this is the program. Now what I will do, I'll going to divide this program into some smaller units. As I discussed, I showed you my bag where the different chambers are there. Different chambers contains different stuffs. Similarly, I will going to create different chambers here, and these chambers are called functions eventually in Python. So first chamber is add. This will going to have the add statement. Enter. Now you see this is the place to place the print statement. Again I will going to create my second chamber where I will going to put my subtraction statement. So def, here I am creating the subtraction function actually, and now I will place my print statement this location. So this is the second, and third def, def, this is for multiplication. For example, I am taking the multi. This is the function to calculate and find out the what is that, multiplication of these two numbers. Then def, div, division, then sorry, it should be this, and I'm pressing the enter and I brought this print statement here. Now this is okay. Now I'm going to save the program. I divided the whole program into some smaller 4 units. Okay, now I save it. Now we will try to run the module. Run module means we will going to run the program. All the program runs, however it doesn't show you anything. See, there is no output, no addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then why we divided the whole program? Let's see. Now I will going to write add here, ADD, add. So this will only show you the addition of these two numbers. Let me press the run module again. Now you see only the addition has been shown because the addition was required there. Again I'm closing this one. So instead of addition I'm writing here subtraction, SUB, subtraction. Just tell me what will happen, what would be the result. We will going to see the subtraction only. Amongst these 4 functions, among these 4 statements, only we will going to view the subtraction. See, the subtraction was 10 and here also subtraction is showing 10, so that means it's okay. Now I would like to see the multiplication same way. Now you have understood what to do. We will write here multi, multi. So what will happen? This multi function will show you the multiplication. Here it's showing 200. Now it's not only that you can run only one function at a time. You can write multiple functions. For example, after multiplication I'm writing this add. Although addition function is declared before multiplication, however I'm writing addition function after multiplication. Now let's see what will happen. Now you see, first it shows the multiplication, after that it shows the addition. That means according to our requirement we can use these functions. For example, you can write add function twice, no problem. You can write, you will see the result twice. Okay, let me save it. Let me run the program. Now you see, this is the result of the multiplication, and addition is displayed here twice because I wrote here twice. I wrote here add twice. So this way I have divided the big program into some smaller units. These smaller units called function. So function, why we created function? Now you see, you use these functions as per your requirement and you can reuse these functions. That means that is the function, that is one property of function, that is called reusability. You can use this function twice, thrice, how many times you want. Okay, I think you have understood the concept of the function well. Now in the next class we will move forward and see what we can do with functions. Thank you for this. Thank you for today.